tribulations against Islam. Ever since Allah Almighty sent Hazrat Adamzad to this world, also a series of instructions departed because Iblis is the open enemy of man, and man is the eternal enemy. Until the day of judgment, man will try to keep away from the truth. In every age, the anti-human Iblis and the anti-Islam man have been creating new tribulations. Muslims have not made any significant arrangements to avoid anti-Islamic tribulations. On the contrary, Muslims have been fighting among themselves. Today, Muslims have become spectators, only nominal Muslims. Dr. Allama Iqbal said very well, so you are also Syed, Mirza and Pathan. You are all Muslims. Tell me that you are also Muslims.
Everywhere Muslims are moving, not far from the name of humanity. It is as if creatures from different planets have come together on our planet. In the past, various kinds of tribulations have arisen. But today's modern tribulation that has arisen is a change in the Quran. Friends, this fitna has already appeared in some Islamic countries. The modified Quran has been revealed. Anti-Islamic people are appearing in Muslim guise, and they want to teach our future generations a false Quran. These anti-Islamic people seal the converted Quran in villages, towns and cities. They offer the Quran for a small price or as a free gift. We will be rewarded for your reading. And we take the old Quran instead of the new one, so that the original Quran can be memorized from page to page. All Muslims are requested not to give the old Quran to anyone. Rather, hurry up and save yourself, and give the same guidance to your descendants. The scholars and the government should register the companies that publish the Holy Quran, and from time to time they should check the Holy Quran that no verse has been changed. Especially the verses which contain the subject of Khatam al-Anbiya. This was also the change in the verses of the Quran which have been changed, in which it was written that the last prophet will come after me. May Allah curse the nation of oppressors. Share this message as much as possible. Thank you.